For me, it is feeling free. That makes me so happy. We are all hikers. We all love being in nature. That's why we are here.
It's very liberating. You really realise what you need and what you don't need and what you can live without. And it's such a great sort of eye-opener into simplifying your life.
You're just out in the nature, always looking forward to reaching the finish line, but we also talk a lot about keep it slow, don't walk too fast.
I always wanted to be in nature more. Here you're more connected when you sleep, when you walk, do everything in the nature, and I really find that inspiring and I want to do it more.
What can't you enjoy about this? I love meeting the people from all over the world, like Australia, Korea, America. Yeah, sometimes it's hard, but being with good people, nothing's hard, is it? It switches you off from the day-to-day stuff like going to work, bills. You can just switch off and listen to people.
You meet friends, you make new friends. I would say we're infected by this experience, and now we love it.
With all the negative things that happens in the world, to come here and see all kinds of nationalities and just meet friendly faces, it's just fantastic.
The Classic is bringing people out of their comfort circle of friends and going, come and embrace this family as well. I mean, it's the best thing. I'll never turn back. I'll just keep doing these.
This is quite unique. This is actually my first Classic ever. It has been a really good experience.